Hey everybody, thank you for attending the LPS Services Warranties Training. My name is Mitch Villalobos. I will be giving the training this time. This is an initiative that Natalie just put together in order for us to give you a little idea of what the warranty services that we offer are about. So in this case, we will wait just a couple minutes. We're waiting for more participants to join. So just give me a couple more minutes and we will get started. All right? Thank you. Okay, we got some people joining in already, so we're going to get started right now. As I mentioned, welcome. In this case, we want to share some of the warranties information in order for us to understand a little bit and help you guys to understand what warranties are about. So I have a little agenda here that will give you some information. Basically, before I get started, I just want to point out that there were some changes on this deck. So we will go ahead and send you the updated version as soon as we're finished. I will go ahead and point out what we changed. There were some calculations that we did incorrectly, so we apologize for that, but we will send you the updated deck. So basically, this is what we're going to do right now. We will go through the agenda, which in this case will be what is LPS, services website, services lookup tools, warranty descriptions, earning calculation, and magic formula and Q&A. Basically, these are the objectives of this training, which will be understand what LPS can do for you, know where to find services info, how to find the right warranties, what warranties should you offer, of course don't leave money on the table, and how to position the warranties. So moving forward, we will see a little bit of what LPS is about. In this case, this is something I want to point out. We used to be 10 people at the very beginning. With the years, we get up to 37, and right now we're almost 100 people on the floor. We've been down in Costa Rica for about 8 years in business, and we have our own website within the Lenovo Partner Network website. So if you would like to take a look to it, please feel free to go to that website, and then you will see what will be the way that we try to manage the accounts down here in order for us to have a successful organization. So in this case, basically we have the onboarding team that is basically new accounts that just register with Lenovo. What we do is welcome these accounts and help them to grow their business up to the point to get to an acquisition or retention point, moving forward to a larger kind of accounts that will handle major accounts in the U.S. So basically the idea with this organization is just for us to make sure that we will graduate your account along the way in order for you to get better service as long as you grow your business. So we can give you some specialized service coming from a field rep in this case, or an ASR, an inside sales rep that might be able to help you. So feel free to join this website whenever you want, so you can just go ahead and take a look a little bit of what we are about and how we can help you moving forward. In this case, I guess and I hope you have a great experience working with Natalie as your channel account manager, and of course we will continuously helping you to grow your business. Moving forward. Okay, just in case, here's where you go to see the support option on the website. You just click on support and you will display where it says LPS or Lenovo Partner Sales. Okay, Lenovo Services. In this case, we have a website that is exclusively for you guys, so you can get exactly what you need from the warranties perspective. So basically, you can find the Lenovo Services Guide, which is very important for you to have it handy whenever you need to know something about the warranties. Of course, you have me as a resource. In this case, you can contact Natalie, and then you can contact me, and I'll be more than glad to help you with it. In this case, you can see the Smart Find and the WAMO, which are the basic tools that we use in order for us to find all the warranties available on the market, in this case to distribution. You will have the access to flyers, so you can see flyers for accidental damage protection, keep your drive, sealed battery, and all that good stuff that you will be dealing with every day. Services description, of course, there will be a little description for each one of the services that we have. Inclusive, you have some training videos. Right now, there's like a couple of training videos that you can take a look. One is just basically what is the idea from Lenovo for you to understand exactly what we do on a daily basis with the warranties, and the other one is how to handle objections from customers they don't see a value add on the warranties. Of course, you will have battle cards, which will give you a little more detail, the description of each one of the warranties that we have. So I welcome you to go here where it says Services on the Lenovo Partner Network. Just click where it says Client Services, and you will be ready to go on this website. Please take a look whenever you have a chance, and of course, you can contact me for clearing some questions with no problem. So moving forward, we will be talking a little bit about the tools. So these are the two major tools that we use. Smart Find. The Smart Find is used most of the times whenever you have something not that specific. When a customer is looking for something or for a warranty, but you don't have something really clear of what they look for. So the Smart Find will give you a good, better, and best option. This is the probably the preferred tool that we would like you guys to use, because this is very simple to use. This is very handy. It's user-friendly. So I think this is the best way to go. But if you consider that you're good in Excel, if you think that Excel is something that you can handle with no problem, we have the WAMO. The WAMO will give you a lot more information, and it's a little more specific of the things that you might be looking for. So let's move forward so I can explain to you a little bit in detail. Here's the link for Smart Find. As soon as you click on that link, you will have two big buttons, in this case, Services and Accessories. If you click on Accessories, it will give you every single option that you have. It will take you to the PS Drive. So in this case, the PS Drive will guide you through every single part that you need in order for you to offer something else. This will be like your upsell page. So if you are selling a laptop and you need to add anything else, here's where you want to go. You want to add a mouse, a keyboard, a docking station, a monitor, anything you think that you can add to that specific machine that will be compatible with it, you can click on Accessories. But in this case, the important part here that we would like to talk about will be Services. So basically, you click where it says Services, and it will take you to this nice looking website. The only thing you need to do is select where it says Relationship right here, and then we will be using that model number along the training. So once you add the machine model, you can just go ahead and put it right here, and this will look like this. It will open, and it will give you all this information. So as you can see, you will have a good, better, and best option. And this good, better, and best option, it will tell you exactly what it is. For example, the best option we have will be an on-site with Keep Your Drive, Premier Support, ADP, and sealed battery for $229. If you consider that there is something else you need to look for, you can just go for more services, and you can just slide the buttons and click here and there where it says Accidental Damage Protection, Keep Your Drive, or Sealed Battery, and you can play with the system and try to find out if there will be something more specific you might be looking for. But for that matter, I think WAMO is even a little better for it. So let me teach you how WAMO works. All right. By the way, just here you can find where you can see the arrow. It says a 3-year depot base warranty. So right here is where you can know what kind of base warranty you have on that machine. And this is really important for you to know, because depends on that, that will be the kind of warranty you want to offer. So let me just go ahead and take you through the WAMO. Give me 1 second so I can just move the presentation. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the same part number that we were talking about, and this is the way the WAMO looks. Something important you need to know is that this 4 digits, 20FB, will be the machine type. So when you see the machine type on the system or on the WAMO, that's what we're talking about, the first 4 digits of the machine. So right here, basically what you want to do is type the machine type right here. And by doing that, the computer, or in this case the Excel, will do a sort that will go ahead and shrink all the options that you have for that specific machine. And this might look something like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the way it looks as long as you do these steps. First of all, you will notice that this is color-coded, right? So the first step you will have to do on number 1 is select the country. Of course, if you're not serving Canada, please just select the US. Then where it says base warranty, you have to select the base warranty that we were talking about. In this case, we're selecting a 3-year D-pod. And then you can select how many years of warranty you would like to offer to your customer. In this case, if you are going for a 4-year, the only thing you need to do is sort for a 4-year. And again, you need to select the warranty that you would like to offer. And this is a recommendation I can give you. I would normally like to offer the most expensive warranty to the customers. And the main reason why I do that is because if I don't do that, I might close the door on my face, for the simple fact that if I offer you the smallest option I have and you say no, then there is no way for me to downgrade. But in this case, if I offer you the largest opportunity or the largest warranty you have, in order for you to analyze it and try to see if a customer can say yes, if they say no, then you can still go down with another warranties that you might have lower prices on them, so you can still go ahead and sell one of the warranties to your customer and try to position the value add for it. But I always go with the most expensive one for that matter, right? So just please keep that tip in mind. Moving forward, once you pick the warranty, then you can just go ahead and quote this through distribution in order for you to try to get the warranty into the deal. Give me 1 second because I think my system is a little slow. Let me see if I can move it forward. Okay, here it is. Okay, basically these are the warranty descriptions. As you can see, you can take a look to the depot warranty, the on-site, and the mail-in. Those 3 are the base warranties that we have available. In this case, you will not see the machines coming with any other kind of warranty but these 3. These are the basic warranties you will find. And of course, we have the professional warranties, which in this case, that will include the accidental damage protection, keep your drive, seal battery warranty, and of course the premier support. The premier support basically is the most important one that we're trying to focus on, right? The main reason of that is because it's going to give you a lot of support, and it will be something that we will try to help you to do this over the phone, right? We will try to help your customer to finish the problem over the phone. So here are some facts about how the premier support has been working since the very first moment we launched it. So in this case, we have 130,000 seats registered already in North America. We have 20 to 25 calls a day. We have 60% average first-time fix on the phone rate. 90% of the calls are between 7 and 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. 20 to 21 minute average phone handle time. Reporting available 24-hour turnaround, and software best efforts beyond listed. So something really good to say, and this is something I've been seeing a lot. There is a lot of our agents down here that they've been pushing this product for the simple fact that it actually make it simple for them, right? The customers will have a one phone number to call, no props, no silly questions, no simple troubleshooting. They have this person that will help them from beginning to end. These guys are tier 2 levels support guys. They are in one of the main buildings at Lenovo, building number 7 if I'm not mistaken. They're really close to the PMs, so if they need to escalate something, the escalation will be handled a lot quicker. So that's something that you can consider. Something else very important, we will support software, and also we will put priority on parts. So if there is a part that doesn't exist and we have to bring it in, your customer will be put in first place so they can get the request fulfilled. So those things are important regarding the Premier support. If you need more information about it, I'll make sure that Natalie send you the flyer for it so you can have this information handy. Moving forward, give me 1 second. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, but you know, we have short time, so. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to. Okay, warranty descriptions, and this is something important that I try to teach to my agents down here. We need to first of all understand what your customer needs, right, and what kind of warranties you're used to it. If you're used to buy machines that come with a 1-year warranty, there is a lot of possibilities for you to do something else, right? You can either way go for an extension on the lifetime of the warranty, or you can go ahead and upgrade to a professional service. So the way that the system will look, or the way that the warranty will look, it will go from a base warranty, from a 1 to a 3-year warranty, and you can see from mail-in to depot or on-site. So the idea for us to try to position the extended warranties, of course, in your hands, it will be for you to make more money. The idea is for you to have more money based on the service that we're offering. Of course, the idea for us to position this to your customers is for them to have peace of mind, for them to know that Lenovo is covering whatever issue they might have, depends on the situation they're going through, right? So peace of mind for them, peace of mind for you, and of course it will give us peace of mind because we will be able to help you in an easy way. So from base warranty, they come from a 1-year to a 3-year, depends on how many years the customer might like to have these units. You can offer from a 2, 3, 4, or 5-year warranty. If you have a 3-year warranty, and for example, you have let's say this machine with an on-site with a 3-year warranty, and the customer might say, no, you know what, that's all I need. I just need it for 3 years. So you already know that you might not need to extend it for 3 years or more, but you can just go ahead and keep yourself in mind that you can extend it for ADP, keep your drive, or steel battery. Even you can go to Premier support, and if the warranty is already expired, you can even offer a post warranty. If a machine is going out of the country, you can offer international. So there's very options that we have available for you regarding the warranties. The ideal world would be for us to go out of the 2 areas, right? In this case, go from, let's say, from a 1-year base warranty to a 3-year base warranty, and go from a mail-in perspective to Premier support. So the idea with this is just for you to remember that the main point for us to offer a warranty is to help you make more money, to help your customers to have peace of mind and make sure that they're protected for whatever issue they might have. And of course, that will be helping your business to grow. All right? So moving forward, I would like to explain a little bit, and how do we calculate, or how do we see exactly what can you do on, let's say, revenue by offering the warranty. So I'm going to give you an example with an X1 Carbon. This is a high-end machine. It's a Focus model, and it's a premium product. With it, I'm offering you the 4-year on-site keep your drive, Premier support, accidental damage protection, and 3-year steel battery. All right. So for example, let's say you have an opportunity for 35 units. In this case, as you can see, the back-end rebate will be like $1,700.21. The upfront discount will be like $3,400.43, and it comes with sales incentives. In this case, let's call it splits. You get right there $455. So you will have a total of $5,555.64. Now, and that will be the revenue if you don't add the warranty. But if you add the warranty to that, there is an extra $1,489. So as you can see, you're actually increasing your business. Now, if you don't have access to the NCV, which will be the differentiator here, you might be able to do, instead of $5,000, you will be making $2,155. On the other hand, if you add the warranty, you will be getting $1,024.99 without the 5% for the NCV. So basically, and here's where the change comes. In the first scenario, you will be growing your business on a 21% growth. On the second scenario right here, you will be getting 48% growth. I hope you can see the difference between just selling the machine and adding the extended warranty. No matter what, in any of the two options or any of the two deals, you're growing your business for more than 20%. And that's exactly what we would like to talk to you about. I'm going to give you another example with a different machine. In this case, this is an L380 Yoga. It is a Focus model. It's same warranty, on-site keep your drive, premier support, ADP, and 3-year sealed battery. In this case, you can see same amount of machines, 35 machines. You're getting a total of $2,404 just for the first option with the NCV. And also you're getting $1,489 with the NCV for the warranties, right? Now, the second option, you don't have the NCV, so you're making a lot less on the machine, which is $554.94, and you're making $1,024.99 only on the warranties, right? So take a look to the spiffs right there. It's $700 just for the spiff on the sales incentive. Now, if you move forward right here, you can see that there is a 38% growth on the first option, on the first scenario. The second scenario is giving you 65% growth. So here is the important part. Remember that if you don't offer the warranties, eventually they will come and ask for it, even though if the machine is going to expire or probably they have an issue with the machine, and then they ask for the warranties. If you offer up front, that will help them to position this at the very beginning of a call. All right? So this is probably one of our last slides, and then we can go to questions. This is something really simple. I try to teach this to my agents so they can probably explain them to you, so you can put this on a different perspective to the end user. So basically, if you determine the years of coverage, in this case the warranty you're offering, let's say you're offering a 4-year warranty, and then you determine the price of the warranty, it will be simple to calculate that if you have a warranty for 4 years, and you have the price which is $265.30, and let's say you multiply 365 days times 4, it will give you 1,460 days. So then if you get the price which is $265.30 divided by 1,460, you will get a total of 18 cents per day. So the question to the customers will be, what if I give you the value for this warranty? I mean, the warranty that you're paying for is an ADP, keep your drive, sealed battery with our premier support, and all that is just for 18 cents per day. If your machine gets damaged for any reason, you might probably have to pay $400, or it depends on what is messed up. If you are actually having a problem with your keyboard, I mean with your motherboard, you might probably have to pay more than $1,000 to fix it, just one day. So if you have the chance to offer this explanation to your customers so they can just pay 18 cents per day, I'm pretty sure they will think about getting the warranty. It doesn't matter if it costs $265.30 they have to pay up front. I hope this makes sense. So I would like to hear questions from you, and if you have something that you consider that is not the way it looks, and you can probably tell me, look, positioning services is not that easy. Positioning the warranties is a little more difficult than you think. Please let me know, because I definitely would like to hear those comments, and I would like to hear hear your voice and understand how you guys are positioning services. If you have your questions, this is the time to go for it. So you guys have no questions?
Hi, Mitch. I do have a question. Can you hear me?
Yes, go for it.
Okay, thank you. I have this reseller. He's asking me, what is the purpose of giving bundle warranties? Why putting all together? If
Okay.
there is a better pricing or something?
Yes, definitely. Well, let me explain this. The warranties that we have, some of them, if you see them by themselves. I mean, if you don't put them on the bundle, they might be a little more expensive. The idea of us putting the warranties on the bundle will be to save them money, of course, at a long run, and also to have a better experience of services. So the idea of us having, not only the Premier support by itself, but in this case, adding Premier support with Keep It Drive or accidental damage protection, that will be giving them a little better options and pricing, so they can just go ahead and go for that same warranty. The benefit for it, as I mentioned before, Premier support is one of the major things that we're offering. A lot of our agents are positioning this warranty. For that matter, a lot of our resellers are doing it too. And we see that constant growth every day. And as I mentioned on the facts, it's a pretty good service that we have going on. We have not heard any objection from customers. The response time is a lot easier for the simple fact that they get the problem fixed over the phone. So I guess that was the main reason why we put all those warranties together as bundles, so we can have a better service for the customers at a lower price with a lot more experience of services. Does it make sense?
Yes, thank you.
Questions? I have another question here that they sent me over the chat. It says downtime. What about downtime? Remember that if you have a Keep Your Drive, or in this case, I'm sorry, not a Keep Your Drive, but a depot option. If you have a machine that comes with a 1-year depot, or if you have a machine that comes with a 1-year mailing, remember that the downtime for depot will be 7 to 10 business days, right? So if you have 7 to 10 business days to wait for the machine to be fixed, and on top of that, if you have mail-in and they have to pay for shipping, there will be a pain for them. So the idea here is to position the pain point and explain to them, or at least ask them, hey, do you know what this warranty stands for? If they say no, then you can explain, look, if you have a 1-year mail-in, you might have to pay for shipping. In this case, if you have a depot, Lenovo will pay for shipping. We will send you a box with the shipping label, so you can just put it in the box, so you can send it back to us in order for us to fix it. In this case, an authorized service provider might give the service, but it will be covered by Lenovo. And on the other hand, if you consider that that's something that we need to short, if we want to make sure that we have a less downtime, in this case, we can just go to the on-site service. The on-site service will give you 24 hours, depends on the cutoff time. If you call before 3 o'clock Eastern time, and of course, if the parts are available, we might be able to fulfill this next day. Now, the situation here is that you might probably receive a technician. Depends on the part that needs to be worked. In this case, if it's a crew part, a customer replacement unit, we will send you the unit. Right, we will send you the either way the hard drive, or we will send you the memory, or depends on the part that you're working with. If there will be something difficult to swap or change, we will definitely send a technician out. So that depends on the situation, but downtime is key. That's something that I heard a lot from customers. I mean, I cannot wait 7 to 10 days for me to have the machine fixed. So in this case, that's the perfect timing for us to offer the on-site, and of course, add it with something else. If you have a laptop that they're working with, ask them, hey, do you know that the base warranty for that laptop on the battery is for 1 year only? And if they say no, well, there is a pain point that you just created on the customer. So you know for a fact that you can offer an on-site with in this case, with a sealed battery protection with it. So think about those options on your next conversation with your customers. And if you have any question, or if you have any issue with any warranty, feel free to get in contact with Natalie, and she will be addressing back to me in order for me to help you guys out. So if there's no other questions, guys, thank you so much for being here with us. And if you have anything, if you need something else, just let us know, and we will be more than glad to provide you the information you need. All right? So thank you for your time, and have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.